never played football before.
I was playing in Montreal actually as a high school child, yeah. It was very intense and fun during summer practices.
Yes, I've played football before.
Well, if it counts playing football as a 5-year kid with her cousin, then yes, I played football before.
I've been playing since I was 7.
Are we supposed to do rock, paper, scissors or something?
Which team are you for?
Yeah, Iceland. Where's Iceland? Oh, here.
Iceland.
I'm
Where?
from Labuan.
I'm from Iceland and I'm Japan.
Japan!
Japan.
Cheers.
You lost.
Beautiful handshake. Okay. Good luck.
Okay.
Beep, beep, beep. Hey, listen, wait.
How are you? Almost.
Good. Oh, penalty. He grabbed the ball. He grabbed the ball.
Iceland, Iceland.
Japan, Japan.
Don't grab it. Oh!
1-0, right?
Yeah.
That was
Two. There we go.
Stop making.
Good
Stop making that sound.
That was another one.
Yeah, I got one.
Go away! Oh!
I don't know. Is there any rules? Or I mean,
Whoa!
three
Austria.
against one. Japan. I'm sorry.
Oh!
It's done. It's over. I won.
Yay!
Congrats.
So we are having a pop-up fan zone at Vine Restaurant where you're going to be able to enjoy this beautiful game. We also have a discount for all QIDs, so when your team is playing, you can join us in Vine Restaurant and you're going to get 20% discount on your bill. Terms and conditions apply, obviously.
If you like this episode,
Make sure to like, subscribe and comment and join us at Vine Restaurant for the World Cup.
and hit the bell of the notification.
Bye.
Bye! 대한민국!
I mean, sorry, but when they start cheering, it's amazing. I love it. It's like a spirit.